Myself is Vijay Lakshmi. Today we are conducting the experiment of a FEM lab, simply supported beam subjected to the point load at the center. Aim is to obtain the SFD, BMD and reaction force at the support for a rectangular cross-section beam having an area of a zero point 0.2 meter into a zero point 0.3 meter, and the Young's modulus is a 210 gigapascals. Area is 0.06 meter square. We have to taken the given data first. Moment of inertia bhq divided by 12, we have to calculate it this one, and the height 0.3 mm. The given Young's modulus is 210 2.1 10 raised to 11 Newton meter square. Here the diagram of the beam. The beam end A and C is supported, simply supported. The in B, center of the beam is acting the load of a 20 kilonewton. The A to B is a 2 meter and A to C is a 4 meter. This problem we have to analyze in the answers. I am going to start in answers. I am starting in answers. I am clicking the preference. Here the so many options are there: thermal, ANSYS fluid, flow, Flowtron, CFD, magnetic nodals. But beam is a structural. So I am going to click on structural. Okay. Preference. Element. I am going to add an element. The add one element. It's a beam. So 2D elastic 3 real constant. Here the beam parameters we have to add. These are the beam parameters: area, moment of inertia and height. Area is 0.06, and the moment of inertia we already have calculated, and the height of the beam is 0.3. Click OK. Now I am going to material models. Material properties I am adding: structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Here I am putting the Young's modulus to 1 e raised to 11. It's by default 0. Now I have to create a model. Create nodes, inactive CS. Here we have to enter the nodes coordinator. First one node 0 0 0. First node is x y and z 0. Apply. Second node, the x-axis distance is a 2 meter, y and z 0. Apply. Third one, the x-axis is a 4 meter. Apply. Now I am joining these three nodes by element. Auto numbered through node 1 to 2, through node 2 to 3. So I'm adding the defining the boundary condition of the beam. It's on node. It's supported x, a and c y direction. Its ux direction means we have to constrain this direction. x direction, but it's in a constraint in y direction. Okay, simply supported. The load is acting on center force moment on node. The center point is 2. The load is acting downward direction. I am taking a Fy. Downward means it's a minus 20 kilonewton. Okay. I am going to solve this problem. Solution. Solve. Current Ls. Okay. Now the problem is solved. If any data you have entered mistakes, it will not shown. It should shown the different that which you missed the data that it showed shown. General prospectus. Now we have to uh, see the result, element data, define table, add. Here I am getting the SFD and BMD result. I have to take a SMICS to apply. SMICS 6 apply. 8 apply. 12 apply. Now you have to see a result. Plot result, counter plot, line element result. Here we are getting the SFD drawing by the taking a combination of SMIS 2 and 8. This is the shear force drawing for the center load acting beam. You just verify the which your calculated analytical method and this computerized result. And you have to take a result for a bending moment result 6 and 12. Okay, this is the bending moment drawing for the center load acting beam. Least result. Take a reaction solution. This is the reaction result for this. You just verify this result with the calculation analytical method. Thank you.